I'm going to show you how to schedule Facebook and Instagram posts at the same time. So if you're like me who juggle between Facebook and Instagram, you know that scheduling posts or making posts on all of these platforms sort of like look like job, like a lot of stress. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to like schedule posts. I'm going to show you two different methods. I'm going to show you the first method and I'm going to show you the second method. So I'm going to also tell you the most important one, or the one that is sort of like faster for you to like do and you would get good results. So let's just dive right into the video. The first method you can actually use is by using the tool actually owned by Facebook called the Facebook Meta Business Suite. So if you don't know what Facebook Meta Business Suite is a tool that helps you to like manage your accounts, manage your social media accounts for Facebook and Instagram specifically from a particular spot owned by Facebook and so Facebook owns Instagram and Facebook. So I'm just going to go to Meta Business Suite and click on it. You can research it and it's just going to open up. You can see here the Facebook Meta Business Suite. I already have it open here on my tab, so I'm just going to click on this particular tab. The next thing you want to do is to click on create. So if you don't have an account, it's going to show you to just click on account and you can just get your way around it. Next thing you want to do is to click on create post. When you click on create post, you will be able to look at the top part of post 2. So this post 2 allows you to actually connect your Facebook and your Instagram. So you can see here my Facebook page already connected here. This is my Facebook page, Azuka Bright Osita, and then this particular Meta Business Suite, I don't have an Instagram connected to it. So for you to, if it's going to be your first time, you will not have an Instagram connected to it. So you just click on this particular page that's on Connect Instagram. So when you click on Connect Instagram, I'm going to load up a page that will ask you to like put in your details, your Instagram login, trying to like log in into Instagram. So if you log in into Instagram here, you will be able, you can see get more features across Facebook and Instagram. To get more features, you need to connect Azuka by Instagram, which is my Facebook page, to Instagram. Depending on your assignment, people who help manage your page may have access to help manage things on Facebook and Instagram, like content and ads, messaging and contact and comment, insights, settings and permission. So when I click on continue, it's going to ask me to, I'll give access to Instagram. I'll click on continue. It's going to now ask me to like log in my details. So here is where I'll be able to like put in my details. So I want to continue as Bright, login as Bright. My Instagram is already connected to this particular Gmail account. So if I click on login as Bright, we're going to load up and log in. I'm going to be able to now post on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. I don't want to connect this particular Instagram to this Facebook page because I already have it connected somewhere else. So that's also how you are going to do it. When you click on login as Bright, it's going to just log in for you. Going to ask you to log in as anybody that your username is going to ask you to log in, and then you can to have access to it. That way, if you make posts here, if you put in your post, it's going to post to the two blog places you checked in. So your Instagram is going to check in just like the Facebook is being checked in right now. So Instagram is going to be checked in, and then you can be able to post the two places. You can connect to Instagram and Facebook, reach more wider audience, compare your insight, both and manage and comment in one place. So you can see that you can actually make posts on Facebook and Instagram from the same place, and this can be done by the Facebook Meta Suite. And also one important thing that is actually very crucial using this particular tool is the fact that you can be able to like schedule posts on this particular tool also. So if you want to schedule post, let's say you have a text, you have an image, you have a video you want to post, you can make your post here, and then when you click on schedule option, it's going to tell you what time, what date you want to schedule. You can schedule 20 minutes ahead and beyond. So you can take on the particular date you want to make your post, and then you can be able to schedule this particular post you want to make from here. So this is like the first way you can actually do your messaging or your comment or your content or anything you're trying to do on Facebook and Instagram. You can do it from this particular tool first. The second way is actually using a third-party platforms. Third-party platforms are like social media tools that you can actually use to actually manage social media accounts. For example, there is the Hotsuite. So you can use Hotsuite to actually manage your social media account in one place. I'm going to put a link in the description if you want to check Auto Out. You can check your Auto Out. They have a 30-day trial that you can actually use. So save time and get real result on social media. You can just go to Hotsuite, create an Hotsuite account. Once you create an Hotsuite account, it's going to ask you to like connect an account to it. So you can click on login. I have an account with Hotsuite. Click on login. I'm going to be able to like log into my account and then connect any Instagram or Facebook account I want to connect to it, and that way I can be able to schedule my posts, make posts on Instagram and Facebook, and they're all going to go out at the same time. Another tool I can actually use is actually called Buffer. So Buffer is actually another social media management tool that you can actually use. You have a free trial. You can actually check out the free account, and then you can, if you like it, you can continue using it, or you can continue using the Facebook in-house tool. So you can grow your audience on social media and beyond. So Buffer helps you to build an audience organically with a value-driven company that provides available intuitive marketing tools for ambitious people and teams. So you can just go here and see. You can share the clicks you deserve. You can be able to grow your followings, reduce schedule posts basically, and reduce the stress and the workload. Collaborate like never before. And see, Buffer is actually a lot. You can connect as much accounts as you have: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You can connect on Facebook and Instagram, and then you can like schedule posts on one place, and you are actually good to go. Let me just log into this account and show you how it looks like on the inside. So I'm just logging into my Buffer account, and once it's loaded up, I'm going to show you. It's going to show you different places where you can actually connect different multiple accounts to it. So you can see on this particular Buffer account, I have my Twitter account connected to it. You can see my Twitter. You can see these channels. So channels are where you can be able to like connect Instagrams and other multiple accounts. I have Instagram connected to it. You can see my Instagram account here. So this is my Instagram account, and Buffer gives you time to like idea based on your activity. They give you idea on where you can actually post. You can see schedule post on Instagram from 9:45 a.m., 12:57 p.m., 6:20, 8 p.m., 8:39 p.m. So you can actually schedule all of these posts. So you can just click here, new channel. If you click on new channel, it's going to ask you, it's going to load up, ask you which particular account you want to connect. It's the LinkedIn, it's the Twitter. So you can see YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. You just click on it, log into connect. When you click on connect, log into the account. You're good to go. Just the same way you can actually use OneSuite when you log in and all of that. So this is actually one of the benefits, or one of the coolest ways you can actually connect to Instagram or schedule posts on Instagram and Facebook at the same time. And also on the Meta Business Suite, you can actually get insights. You can get insight on everything that's actually happening on your account. This particular Meta Business Suite is a new one, so you can get insights on everything that's happening on your account. You can see what people are doing. Also with your Buffer to HotSuite, you can also get insights. So for me, I believe that the Facebook Meta Suite makes everything very easy in a way, because you can be able to like schedule posts, can be able to like do things from one place. And for me, I would actually recommend using the Meta Suite because it's actually an in-house tool by Facebook, and it gives you more flexibility, and you can easily run ads on this particular platform because you can actually boost any post. When I mean run ads, like boost a post, and then you can get to reach more people. So I believe that you like this video. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment down below. If you want me to make any other video, leave me a comment down below. I'm going to see you in my next video.